Then, is Trillanes still in jail? So, obviously not. Bigyan po ako ng amnesty ni President Aquino back in 2010. So, nakulong po ako from July 2003 up to December 20 of 2010. Then, fourth is Trillanes running for senator. Hindi po, no? I am running for mayor of Caloocan City. Is Trillanes running for mayor? Yes, I am running for mayor of Caloocan City. Is Trillanes a soldier? I used to be from 1991 to 2006 when I